Hi. This is livestream update 1. I misspoke earlier in addendum when I said 2 p.m. California time. I didn't think about the fact that I hadn't pushed the go live stream button yet. Now it's sometime between 7:30 and 8 o'clock p.m. California time on the 22nd. That's p.m. Okay? But I'm definitely going live stream tomorrow. So my daughter-in-law will be watching, and that's probably about it. I mean, I picked up one more subscriber. I'm up to 8. Yay! Unfortunately, I can't see who my subscribers are. No one wants to admit they like watching me. Anyway, tomorrow between 7:30 and 8 o'clock, Poppy goes live. Night night.